Hello, Paul here from AMD Automotive in Canberra, Sydney. I've got a Porsche 997 that I've done a PCM upgrade, which is the same as the 996 and 986 PCM upgrades I do. They share the same one. What I'm going to show you today is how to pair your Bluetooth. First thing you do is you turn your go to settings on your phone and turn your Bluetooth on. So once you have your Bluetooth on your phone, then you come to the actual PCM and select Bluetooth. And then you press search here, and then it will come up. As soon as you see your phone Bluetooth name on the screen, you press on it, and then you press on that, and then your phone will pop up with a little screen on your phone saying put the password in, and the password is 1234, and press pair. Once you press pair, you see a little blue icon there and the little Bluetooth icon there in white. So you got two. Once you have that, that means you can actually ring using your Bluetooth phone is paired to the actual car. Alright? Thanks for watching and please subscribe.